Hi, I'm Britt with Lumitec, and today I'm going to talk to you about selecting the proper wire gauge for your lights when you're installing them on your boat. Now, it can be a complicated subject, it can be a kind of an intimidating subject, but we're going to try to simplify it today by condensing it down to really only needing to know 3 numbers and going to our website to reference a table. So 3 numbers you're going to need to know are the total current draw going through the wire. This is going to be summing up all the lights you're putting on that wire, adding all the current draw together. Your total length of wire run, that's to the lights and back, so your red wire and your black wire, add those together to get your total length of wire run. And then the voltage of your system, so it'll usually either be a 12 volt or 24 volt system. So armed with that information, you'll just go to our website, scroll down to the tables about wire gauge. There's a table for 12 volt and a table for 24 volt. Select the table for your system, cross-reference the total current with the length of your wire run, and that'll give you the minimum allowable wire gauge that you can use. If you prefer, there's also a link to the calculator on our website that uses the ABYC method to calculate the proper wire gauge based on your inputs. The tables on our website use 3% voltage drop calculation. This is for critical systems, and we find it performs better with our lights. Please visit our website for more information, and thank you for watching.